Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Bridge Bites. Let's cook and bake. Today we are going to see healthy granola bars. These are so tasty and yummy, and it's a perfect on-the-go snack. So let's jump into the ingredients. So we have rolled oats, 2 cups, foxtail millet flakes, 3 cups, cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon, half cup honey, half cup coconut oil, mixed nuts and fruits of your choice, and 1 cup brown sugar.
If you are new to my mom's channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon.
In a pan, dry roast the oats for few minutes. Here I have taken rolled oats. You can't use instant oats for this recipe. So you just need to roast it for few minutes. Oats are rich in antioxidants and it contains soluble fiber. And it is also a rich source of manganese and phosphorus and other minerals. Add foxtail millet flakes and dry roast for few minutes. Foxtail millets are gluten-free. It is high in antioxidants and calcium, helps in lowering blood pressure, helps in brain growth and weight loss. Slightly roast the nuts and seeds of your choice. Here you can use any nuts and seeds or dry fruits of your choice. Mix fruits and nuts. Here I have taken almonds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds and some flax seeds. This combo is completely your choice. At last I am adding few raisins and just tossing it for few seconds. We don't have to roast it completely as these will be baked. Transfer all these into a bowl and allow it to cool. In a pan, add 1 cup of brown sugar or jaggery powder. You can use sweetener of your choice. And allow it to caramelize. We'll add 2 tablespoons of water so that it helps in caramelization. You can even use butter, 2 tablespoons of butter as well. That is completely optional. Once the jaggery powder gets dissolved completely and starts to caramelize, add half cup of honey and half cup of coconut oil. You can even use butter if you wish to. Mix everything well on a low flame and then add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder has antiviral, antibacterial and antifungal properties. All our liquids are ready. So I have pulsed the oats. That is completely optional. Add all the dry ingredients and crush some rock salt. This enhances the flavors. Mix everything well. Then add our liquids. After adding liquids, make sure it is mixed very well. I have lined a pan with parchment paper. You can even use a butter paper and pour the mixture into it. And press the mixture tightly. This is really very important step. You should really press it hard so that while cutting it doesn't break. Preheat the oven at 180 degree, only with lower rod on, and place the tray in middle rack for 15 to 20 minutes. Once it's baked, allow it to cool completely in the tray. Once it's completely cooled down, make it into squares or rectangles, and these yummy and healthy granola bars are ready to go. If you liked my video, don't forget to share, subscribe and comment below.